To remove the panel, to get, like I was telling you, to gain access to the oil filter that's buried down there, we have to, there you go. Yeah, I think you can see it now. Yeah, there you go. We have to remove this cover, and to remove the cover we have to unclip over here, and there is another clip here. You just use a flat screw and then pop it off, and it will pop off. And then let's see, once you remove those two clips, you just lift, and I think they have a filter there. Yeah, this is good enough. The air filter, this is good enough. I think we have the air filter looks kind of dirty. We might need to replace that next time. I don't have any new one with me, so that will be a job for next weekend. So now we have we can see the oil filter clearly. It's right here. So we will go ahead and unscrew that and start removing that as well. I bought this set on Amazon. I think it's called 10-piece oil filter cap for Toyota, BM, Mercedes, and VW. That includes Audis. And yeah, it's a nice set, and that allows me to fit on the cap of the filter. Okay guys, for this Audi we need the 36 millimeter to unscrew the filter cap. So it's down there. I just need to twist it and we will remove it. As you can see, it's coming off. And then I will just use my hand to remove the rest. It's still coming off, guys. I thought I could remove it with my hand, but it was still tight. So I'm gonna unscrew it more, get it loose a little bit more, and then I think it's good now. I will remove it with my hand. All right, guys, I think it's loose enough to just remove it. Carefully. We're gonna drop some oil down there, but it's okay. So here is the filter. Looks pretty dirty, so there it is. Guys, this is the new oil filter. I got this on I think it's FCP Euro Auto has AZ, one of them. So they have a kit for this vehicle. So oil change kit. I just got the whole kit. I think it was about $70, and this is the filter that we will be using. It has a filter. The box has a filter, and also the rubber that will go on around the oil filter top. Sorry. So let's apply a coat of oil around here. Around here, just apply a coat of a little bit of oil just around here before we fit the rubber seal around it. Now that the seal is on, I try to clean a little bit around it. Now that the seal is on, we will go ahead and put the filter, fit the filter inside, and we will replace it. To replace the filter, we just do the opposite of the removal. Just put it back in there. Let's make sure everything's tight, and let's just put it back in there, and that's it. So now we just twist it back down. And make sure it's tight. Yeah, that's it. That should do it. Now that we have replaced the filter, we come back down here. It looks like all the oil has drained. It has drained out of the pan. We will go ahead and replace the drain plug. I bought a new drain plug. It's recommended to replace it whenever you change your oil. I mean, this should still work fine, but I think it's just best. It only costs $1 or $2. Just best to replace the drain plug. So we will get this out of the way and screw this back in. And once we do that, we will go back up again and fill the new oil, and we should be ready to go. Okay guys, so the new cap is on. I mean, the drain plug is back on, the new one. And now we go back up and put in the oil. I have always used liquid moly. I've had multiple AUDIs, AUDI A7, A6. I have a Q7, the old version, and I've always used liquid moly for them, and they run fine, at least 10,000 miles. And this oil is made in Germany, and they have a very good review. So I just keep them and prefer to stick with that. So I mean, some people use Pennzoil or Mobile, so it's up to you. Just make sure the oil you are using is it fit the manufacturer requirement. So, but this is just my preference, liquid moly. Yeah. This vehicle, the oil capacity is about 7 liter. So we will be using 2 bottles of the 1 liter and 1 bottle of the 5 liter. So once this we fill the oil, we will go back and we will put back the cover. The cover we remove. We put back the cover, and we will go in the car and reset the oil service.